This is gonna get crazy, but I have to ask, who wants to go first?
Me. Hey, I did the song, so I should get to go first. I'll go first. Well, this was mainly because of me. No, I don't want to go. Everyone, this is Poppy's Army Smiles. Alright, so now, today we're going to be having a boy versus girl challenge. Well, I'll get mine first.
All right, guys. Today we have got a sister versus brother unboxing challenge.
Griffman, what are you unboxing for us today?
Yes.
Oh, whoa, Treasure X Monster Gold. Holy cow, will you find real gold?
Yeah.
We have found real gold 3 times in our life. Let's try it. Poppy, what are you going to be unboxing for us?
My little new sister.
Baby Alive Glo Pixies minis. I didn't even know they were making these. Did you, Poppy? I didn't see these anywhere, but these are the new Baby Alive Glo Pixies. The big one's here. Press her so she makes a noise, Poppy.
And then this is her littler sister.
Magical. And that is actually a new glitter
This is
baby
her little sister.
from MGA.
But I
Makes
call her
LOL.
little sister because they look the
All right, Griffy, who did you invite to your Treasure X unboxing? Who are these two guys over here?
They're messy bodies.
Okay.
I picked them out.
Poppy, you picked these two out?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
This is gonna get crazy, but I have to ask, who wants to go first?
Me. Hey, I did the song, so I should get to go first. I'll go first. Well, this was mainly because of me. No, I want to go first.
All right. I shall be judge and jury. I say Poppy should go first because hers is gonna be like short. Well, no, Griffy. Poppy's has got way less. Yours has like, I don't even know how many
I
surprises.
just discovered by checking the box, it has 13 surprises! So Poppy gets to go first with her Baby Alive Glo Pixie, which there is one surprise, right?
What is
Surprise friend.
I want something to
Oh, nice, Poppy. Here, show me how you unbox. Okay, nice. I like that. All right, let's see what we got. What do we have here, Pop?
Well, we have her surprise friend, and it feels like a
Wait, don't show us the surprise friend yet. Wait. So what do we have here first?
So her, and then I think she's a little thirsty from the ride.
Yeah. Oh, so she came with a little bottle.
Yeah, so let's get her into bed. So her.
And she came with this thing too, this little tub.
Yeah.
Okay, I like aqua flutter
Water.
here.
And then her surprise friend feels like the head.
It feels like a decapitated head. All right, Poppy, let's open up the surprise head. I think they've seen her. Okay. What is it? Oh, that's cute, right? That's like a whole huge bonus. That's like a nice other little side toy, I feel like. What do you think, Pop?
Yeah.
Yeah. Very cute. So yeah, with this new Baby Alive Pixie set, what do you get, Pop? The baby, the bottle, the bathtub, the bunny. What do her wings feel like?
That's like some sewing material kind of.
Okay, like some fabric.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
It feels like fabric.
So Poppy, what do you think about
It
it?
feels like the wrapping paper that I made for her dress too.
Yeah. So do you like it? What do you think?
I like her.
Yeah.
Right, now get the chance holding her, guys.
Oh yeah, now she's got a baby.
Yeah, it's their baby. I knew it.
Love it. If you guys like these, they're Baby Alive Glo Pixies. There's Sparkle, Gigi Glimmer, who I really like. That's the middle one. We've got Sammy Shimmer back here. She's already been played with plenty. And then the babies, you got Sky Breeze, Plum Rainbow, who we're getting, Aqua Flutter, and Bubble Sunny, all of which are super cute.
Is that Bubbles, honey?
And then they don't give us any guide on the pets. So I don't know if the pet is always a surprise or if it's just specific to each girl. But boy, that rabbit matches her like perfectly. So I feel like maybe each girl has one. All right, Poppy, we're turning this show over to your brother, but you
Excuse
get...
me?
Yeah,
Can I help Griffin unbox this too?
totally you can help. Yeah.
want him to help.
Well, she can sit here with us, right?
Why can't I?
All right, guys, it's net you $14.99 at Target. That was $10.99, by the way. And I've seen a lot of these on YouTube already. So let's rip this open and see what we think about our boy toy this week. Although, you know what? Honestly, I think you play with whatever toy you want, boys and girls. We got this out, and this is the coffin itself. We'll have Poppy help us unwrap it here in a second. Oh, look at that face. Oh, this is cool. Are you following the zip line?
I'm just wrapping it open.
All right. Whoa. We're going to help everybody. Before we even get to opening the toy, look at that packaging, folks. How cool is that? Very neat. So, now this will come off, of course, because it's a Treasure X toy. And you've got your main unboxing tool. So let's get to this. All right, guys, and your instructions are on the back of the box. So it looks like the first thing we're gonna do is pry the lid off this coffin and then go from there. Oh, Griffy's turn. All right, our first step, just one step. Okay. All right, so you wanna take some stuff out here, Poppy? Wow, okay. Stop right there. Oh yeah, there's something under here. You see we got a new layer. And Poppy just unboxed a bunch of crazy semen stuff. So before we go on, let's figure out what we're doing with all. Okay, these two packets definitely go in our cup of water over here. We're gonna save those. This one, I'm just gonna open, or Poppy can open it. You see the things there? Oh, Griffy, you wanna open it?
Yes.
You tear it from there? Okay. Oh, scissors. Oh my gosh. Just like your sister. Want to use those tools.
I can't even buy this.
Yeah, cutting all those spiders. All right. Can you open it now? Poppy? Well, you can both get it out. Yeah, it's... You get some there.
I found something.
Oh, so there's something in here. So we got a little prize in here. Here, let's give the prize to Griffy here.
It's in the bag.
Oh, it's actually, oh. So Griffy, this is one of your surprises.
What is
Oh, you got a bunch of stuff. Wait a minute, there might even be more in here. We have got a bug.
Daddy?
And we got 2 eyeballs. Is there anything else in there, Pop? I think that's what we were supposed to find, a bug and 2 eyeballs. Oh, and a suction cup. We got a suction cup too. There we go. Let's put this awesome stuff in the water. All right, you still need to cut some more, Pop? Okay.
I will put it in. It's with green stuff.
Okay, you gonna put it in there? All right, and we got a little chemical reaction going on, as you can see. Griffy threw the spider in there as well for good measure. All right, and here is the green. Another big chunk. There it went. There it went. All right, we have more bubble. Boil and trouble.
It's toxic waste.
It is toxic waste. I have no idea what's in here, folks. But there's a bug in there right now.
We could put on.
Okay, Griffy. The brew, Griffin. Pour it in the coffin.
It's my turn.
Poppy, pour it in.
I see garbage.
What is happening?
Right, Griffin.
Griffy, you want to play with that stuff? Whoa. Dude, that is a Halloween surprise. I didn't even know what it did. Did you guys?
Yes.
So wait, the water made it pop up like that?
Yes.
I hope I got that on camera. I don't even know. So this stuff is disgusting, by the way. Are you feeling it, Pop? Totally rancid.
Let me
in a good way. I'm not saying that in a bad way. I'm saying, yeah. So we poured water in, and this guy just popped up. All right, guys. So we're checking who we got. It is not like an ultra rare or anything, but he's pretty cool. It is Count Blingula. So this is their take on a vampire. Count Blingula. Wait a minute. Where are his eyes?
Here.
Ding, 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 ding.
Yeah.
That's right. We unboxed him earlier. Look at that. I still have a piece of scuzz on my thumb.
He puts shake button, but
Grip puts in one, and Poppy puts on one. Let's go.
Teamwork. Ba-da-bum, ba-da-dum-dum. Okay, you want to push it in real good, Griff? Oh, that looks good. Holy cow, Pop, Griff. Well, oh, he's intense. This is kind of a scary toy, right?
You can set it and then put the cover back on and then do it.
I'm just trying to get his eyes in here real good. I don't even know. Maybe they're just supposed to pop out all the time.
So you guys do
All right, guys, so here he is. A note, he's way bigger. Let me give you a scale. So this guy is way bigger than your normal Treasure X. So he's pretty good size. This is the vampire guy, Count Blingula. I think it's a pretty cool looking toy.
He got us.
Yeah.
Boo.
Yeah, he jumped out at us, right, Griff? Scary.
Look at him.
The dude's
Open
awesome.
his mouth.
All right, we're gonna play, but we have one last item of business to go through. All right, guys, there's almost no way that we can talk to you on, with the kid settings on. But here's what we want you to do. If you like the first toy the most, that's Poppy's toy, the Baby Alive Glo Pixie. If you like Poppy's, like the video, all right? I like the video anyway, but extra like the video if you like Poppy. But if you like Griffey's toy better, which is very possible, he's eating bugs and got crazy eyes, then you should subscribe to the video. So it's like for Poppy, subscribe for Griffey, and of course, you guys should really like and subscribe anyway.
See what I did there?
Bodie, can you say boo? What are you eating? Bodie, say boo. Oh, you're gonna stand up with that, you big man? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, he's a big boy, folks. Big boy. Man, what is that?
A monster wing.
We were cleaning up and we thought we were done unboxing, but this guy also came with the brain in a jar. You want to put it in his head?
Yeah.
Maybe he likes it in a jar. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most epic unboxing fail of all time. Boosh. In the head is your actual surprise, which we got a gravestone. So there is our gravestone. You can kind of see the skeleton on it there. Pretty cool. You've got a gummy brain that you can put inside his head cavity.
Yeah, and you can open it.
Oh yeah, mouth opens. Here, let me look at the gummy brain in there, Griffey. Whoa. I guess it all depends on what you're into with this. I thought the hair was kind of cooler than the gummy brain, but the gummy brain is kind of mad scientist. So there you go. We are fully unboxed now. Man, that was 13 surprises, baby. Yeah. And Griffey, who's way smarter than me, figured out that if you press on the brain, his mouth opens, which would make these really fun to make a movie with.
Hey, guys, let's go out and have a big party. Now, don't forget, it's a like for Poppy and Baby Alive, and a subscribe for Griffin and Treasure X. Get to it.